ladies and gentlemen, resolve that children should be given fair and appropriate rights in our society. Our children are the hope of our fatherland. Our children are not our children. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. Their souls dwell in the house of tomorrow. But how are we to forecast our land of dreams with our leaping and starving children today? Do you think we can impinge this perpetual agony that has been dragging and plaguing us for many years now? Home, as they say, is the nest, the cradle, from which all our virtues generate and mesh. With problems like drug abuse, child trafficking, child abortion, illiteracy, how are we to give a bright future for our children's children? The government has implemented various programs on child rights and protection. This can be in a way of putting first-hand interventions before this phenomenon would be too far-flung to resolve. The government has dispensed appropriate resources to the right people to resolve this phenomena. The benefits would be endless and would generate a great deal of cost for society. Statistics on crime, robbery, abortion, illiteracy, premarital sex, and child death, the list would be endless, would decrease. More people would be moving towards change and and everyone will be moving to a sustainable and harmonious society. Everyone will be doing a great labor of job. Now, let me give you a challenge. Are you ready to transform your house into a home?